Good morning, class 4th students. Today we will revise our topics, whatever we had learned in our previous classes. These are the topics we had discussed in our previous classes. Write the number name, write the numeral, expanded form, short form, place value and face value, ascending order and descending order, sign of less than, greater than and equal to, and place value chart. So we will discuss it one by one. In class 3rd, we had already learned number up to 9999. It means greatest 4-digit number. So today we are going to revise 5-digit number. So can you write a 5-digit number? When we add 1 into greatest 4-digit number, we get a smallest 5-digit number, that is 1 followed by 40. 1 0 0 0 0, and this is read as 10,000. Do you know the places of 5-digit number? Yes, these are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. These are the places of 5-digit number. You know that every digit has its own place. So you can also represent this number into abacus. Let us see. 10,000. It means 1 is at 10,000 place. So we represent it by 1 bit, and at the ones, tens, hundreds and thousands place there is 0. So we do not represent it by any bits. Let us see some more examples how 5-digit numbers are represented on abacus. So here number is given 23,141. So see the place and represent it by beads. So 1 is at 1's place, so we have represented by 1 bead. 4 is at 10's place, so we draw 4 beads here, and 1 is again at the 100 place, so we represent it by 1 bead, and at the 1000 place there is a digit 3, so we represented it by 3 beads, and at the 10,000 place there is digit 2, so we denoted it by 2 beads. So now you can read some more numbers. Second is 61,203 and third is 60,000. Now you know how numbers are represented on abacus. Now try to read some more numbers. First is 10,000. Second is 40,000. Yes, not 4,000. This is 40,000. Yes. Third is, yes, 65,000. Yes. Fourth is 72500. How you will read this number? Yes, 72,500. Very good. 83750. How you will read this number? Try to read this number. 83,750. Yes, and last number is 99999. Then how you will write? How you will read? Yes, 99,999. Now tell me which number is greatest 5-digit number. Yes, how you will read greatest 5-digit number? 99,999. Now tell me which number we will get when we add 1 into this number. Yes, 5 0 after 1. Now tell me how you will read this number. Yes, 5 0 after 1. Yes, 1 0 0 0 0 0. Then you can read as 1 lakh. We read this number as 1 lakh. This is the smallest 6-digit number. Now let us read 6 places of a 6-digit number. These are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Okay? Now try to read these numbers. First is 1 lakh. Second is 3 lakh. Third is, yes, try to read this number. Yes. First of all, see how many places are there. Then try to read this number. How can you read? Yes. 5,10,000. Yes. Next number is 7,25,000. Yes. Next is 9,99,999. Yes. You have to remember that the smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh and the greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. Now, can you read these numbers? Yes. Now you can read these numbers. First number is 20,000. Second is 33,108. Yes. So pause the video and try to read all these numbers. If you have any doubt, then you can see the previous video. Now solve these questions. Write the number name for each of the following numerals. Yes, here numerals are given and you have to write number name. What is the first number? Yes, 5,438. So can you write in number name? Okay, then try to write all these numbers in number name. Pause the video, note down into your notebook and try to solve it. Second question is, write the following numbers in figure. Yes, here number name is given and you have to write in numerals. So, first is 8,765. How you will write in numeral? Yes, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yes. Can you solve all these questions? So try to solve it. Our next concept is expanded form. You know that when we write the number in expanded form, then we show the value of each digit. In number 297, value of 2 is 2 hundreds and value of 9 is 9 tens and value of 7 is 7 ones. That is 2 hundreds means 200, 9 tens means 90 and 7 ones means 7. We can put all these values together in an addition equation. So number will be in expanded form. This is the way of writing numbers in expanded form. In second example, number is 2458. How you write in expanded form? Yes, value of 2 is 2000 plus value of 4 is 400 plus value of 5 is 50 plus value of 8 is 8. So we can write 2000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 8, or we can write 2000s plus 400s plus 5 tens plus 8 ones. Good. So try these questions. Write in your notebook You can pause the video and solve these questions. Our text question is write in short form. You know that when we write a number using their digits, the number is said to be in short form. As for example, number is given in expanded form like 700 plus 90 plus 6, and you have to write in short form. Then you have to use only digits. Digit is 796. So number will be 796. In second example, expanded form is given 6000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 8, and you have to write in short form. Then you will use digits only. So digit is 6, 2, 5, 8. Number will be 6258. So in question number A, given 7000 plus 20 plus 2, what will be the number? Yes, 7022. And in question number B, number is given 3000 plus 900 plus 7. Then what will be the number? Number will be 3907. Very good.